Next, let's go to Orange County and hear from Mr. Haas Khaku.
Thank you so much, Liz. I appreciate that. Hello, everybody. My name is Haas Khaku. I come from aerospace and engineering background and real estate. Went to college and got my degree in engineering. Went to work for NASA right away on the space shuttle program. Soon found out that working for somebody else, I can make a living, but I could never make a fortune. So I got into real estate thinking that's where I'll find my fortune, and did really well for the first few years until the downturn came in the marketplace. And when that came, I was not prepared for it, destroyed us financially. Did not know what to do, and a complete stranger told me about LegalShield at our real estate office. We signed up to become a member first, not knowing that there's a business opportunity, because this membership just makes sense. But then he told me about the income opportunity with the passive income, the residual income that we don't have in real estate. And we started part-time, started making $1,000 a month and $2,000 a month and $5,000 a month. When it went to over $10,000, it got my attention. Our best month was over $20,000. We've already crossed part-time on to over $1 million. We're so blessed because of the team, the timing, and the training that this company has. Today, we are debt-free. No credit cards, no car payments. We've got our life to do with what we want to do. But Liz, what LegalShield has done for me is given my dreams back. Dreams that I'd given up on more than 20 years ago, we've got our dreams back. Actually, we are living those dreams right now. We got a chance to go. We're now going to go to Jamaica, which is going to be our 22nd company paid trip. My wife calls it our annual honeymoon. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of you out there. Thank you, and back to you.